What is satvic food? In the yoga system there are three different qualities of nature: Satva, Raja and Tama. Satva can be translated as purity, Raja as passion and Tama as indolence. Satvic food means something like pure food. Everything we eat also affects our mind and body. Since yoga is about purifying the mind, a satvic diet is extremely helpful in helping to keep the mind and body fit. We don't want to put additional strain on the body and mind. Satva, Raja and Tama can also be found in other areas such as music, movies or books. Everyone has different proportions of Satva, Raja and Tama in their system. There are four main groups of satvic food: fruits, vegetables, whole grains and legumes. Examples of Rajasic foods are caffeine, chili and lots of sugar. Tamasic foods are for example meat, fish, alcohol. A detailed list is available in the video description. It is advisable to eat mainly satvic foods, reduce Rajasic foods to a minimum and give up tamasic foods. This allows the spiritual purification to take place more quickly. Also, non-violence is an aspect of yoga, and killing animals just for tongue gratification is an act of violence.